Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope guys you are doing great. Today I'm going to teach you about scanning documents process. How can you scan documents or images using your smartphone camera? Very easy. No need to buy a scanner or purchase any paid app. Okay, just it's a free app totally. Just you have to follow the same step as I will mention now. You have to install HP Smart app from Google Play or App Store if you are using iPhone. Okay, simply now what we will do, I will go to App Store and will search here HP Smart and will search, and you will find in your Google Play or App Store this application. You can see HP Smart. I have already installed, so I will just open it. If you don't have this app, just install it, and just after installation just open the application. This is the app, HP Smart app. Just open it. Fine. Okay, it's opened with me. Actually this app is for HP printers. You can print documents through this app. Using your wireless printers you can print, but we will scan documents using this app. Okay, this is another option in this application, so you can get benefit from it. If it needs registration, you have to register this application. If you get these options straight away in front of you, then well and good. Here is option you can see is camera scan. Okay, we will click on camera scan. Now it's asking that what we want to scan, document mean PDF, or if you want to scan photo, you want JPG file, you have to click on photo. So now we will first of all we will scan document, and here on the downside you can see the source. You can take a picture, like I have this debit card, I can take the picture. Okay, if I have already picture in my phone, I can click on source and I will go file and photos, so you can get any photo from here. Okay, fine. Or if I will take a picture now, and you will see I will take a picture, it's not straight like this. Okay, I will take with this dimension, it will adjust the dimension automatic. Okay, for the sake of argument, if I will click on capture this picture, okay, and you can see automatically it captured the ATM card only. Fine. You can also adjust from downside, but I will just as it is, we will do nothing we will do, because it's already selected the all paths from the right and top or left side. I will press on next. It detect the edges automatic, and you can see we took the picture with the little wide angle, this was not straight like now, and you can see in the display the picture is straight, same like you scan in the official scanner, professional scanner. So now what to do, you can share or save from the option over here, or you can share with any of your friend through WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other application, or you can save also in your phone. I will click here, and there is some settings over here. File type basic PDF. From here also you can select JPG, PDF, PNG. So I will just select PDF, and file size actual. You can select from here large, medium, small, as you like. You can change the name also from here. And now what we will do, I will go for here save from downside. Okay, from here you can share it with your friend, or you can save to your mobile phone. You can see this scanned very well. There is nothing issued at all. The same like you scanned in the any professional scanner. Okay guys, hope you understand the method. If you have any question regarding scanning documents, you find difficulty, you can ask me in the comments. Hope you understand the method. I will share the link for the app also in the description. Just download it and enjoy this application. Thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye.